Say goodbye to bright screens and hello to easier viewing, because today we're unlocking YouTube's darker side to protect your eyes and battery. First things first, you need to have the YouTube app open on your mobile device whether you're on an iPhone or an Android. The process is remarkably similar and super quick. Once the app is open, locate and tap on your profile picture. This is usually found in the top right corner of the app. From the menu that appears, you'll want to scroll down slightly until you see the settings option. Go ahead and tap on that to access YouTube's settings panel. Inside the settings, you'll find various customization options. Look for the one labeled appearance and give that a tap. Now, you'll see a few choices for how your YouTube app looks. You'll see light theme, dark theme, and system default. To switch to the dark mode, simply tap on the dark theme option. And just like that, your YouTube app has transformed. The entire interface will now have a dark theme, making it much more comfortable to watch videos, especially in low-light environments. This dark mode not only reduces eye strain but also helps conserve battery power on your mobile device, giving you more viewing time on a single charge. So there you have it, a simple yet incredibly useful tip to enhance your YouTube experience. Happy watching.